Hi, welcome to Adobe Gab. Today, I will be going to show you how to make a fade in and fade out in an audition. So we are here in the freakish world of the audition. And I already imported my file. First, drag your file on the timeline. And just simply drag this gray box. And then you can manipulate the fade to be exactly as you would like it to look. You can have it as a hard fade, or soft fade. You can do the same again in the fade out. Just drag the gray box on the end. And change the waveform. And it's done. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this audition tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also click the notification bell